When it comes to protecting your home, security is always a top priority. Homeowners in Orangeburg, South Carolina, know that keeping their homes safe from intruders is crucial, especially in areas where the community is growing and the safety of your loved ones is important. One often overlooked but highly effective way to improve your home's security is by upgrading your windows. Vinyl windows, in particular, offer a combination of security, durability, and efficiency that make them an excellent choice for any home. Here's what Orangeburg homeowners need to know about vinyl windows and how they can enhance your home's security. Durability and strength. One of the key advantages of vinyl windows is their incredible durability. Unlike older wooden windows that can deteriorate over time due to moisture, temperature changes, and general wear, vinyl windows are designed to stand the test of time. Vinyl is resistant to rot, warping, and swelling, which means it maintains its strength and structural integrity for many years. This durability is essential when it comes to home security, as a strong window is less likely to be easily breached by intruders. Older, damaged windows are often a target for burglars, who can break or force open ill-maintained frames. With vinyl windows, you get a sturdy, long-lasting material that provides an extra layer of protection against break-ins. When properly installed, vinyl windows can prevent burglars from easily tampering with or breaking into your home, offering a higher level of security than traditional windows. Reinforced locks and security features. In addition to their durability, many vinyl windows come with advanced locking mechanisms designed to keep intruders out. Modern vinyl windows often feature multi-point locks, which secure the window at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder for someone to force the window open. These locks are especially effective at deterring burglars, as they are designed to prevent tampering. Many vinyl windows also come equipped with reinforced frames and heavy-duty hardware, further increasing their resistance to break-ins. Whether you have sliding windows, casement windows, or double-hung windows, the added security features of vinyl windows make them an excellent choice for homeowners looking to protect their property. Impact-resistant glass for extra protection. In areas like Orangeburg, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, having windows that can withstand extreme forces is essential. Many modern vinyl windows are equipped with impact-resistant glass, which provides an extra layer of security against both intruders and severe weather events. This type of glass is designed to withstand significant force, whether it's from a break-in attempt or a storm-related impact, without shattering or breaking. Impact-resistant glass is typically made with a combination of toughened glass and a durable interlayer that helps hold the glass together in the event of an impact. This makes it much more difficult for burglars to break through the window, and it also helps protect your home during storms or other weather-related incidents, giving you peace of mind knowing that your windows can stand up to both security threats and natural disasters. Noise reduction and privacy. Home security isn't just about preventing break-ins. It's also about maintaining privacy and keeping unwanted attention away from your home. Vinyl windows, especially those with double or triple panes, provide excellent noise reduction properties. This is especially valuable in urban or suburban areas where outside noise can be a distraction or even make you more vulnerable to unwanted attention. By reducing the amount of noise that enters your home, vinyl windows help create a more peaceful living environment, allowing you to enjoy greater privacy and security. This added layer of insulation means that people outside your home won't be able to hear what's going on inside, making it harder for potential burglars to gauge whether you are home or if your property is vulnerable. Additionally, vinyl windows with tinted or reflective coatings can further improve privacy by limiting the view into your home from the outside. Weather protection and insulation. In Orangeburg, where the weather can vary from hot, humid summers to cool, rainy winters, having well-insulated windows is key to maintaining a comfortable and secure home. Vinyl windows are known for their superior insulation properties, which help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This is particularly important for home security, as extreme temperatures can lead to cracks or gaps around poorly insulated windows, which can compromise the security of your home. Vinyl windows feature insulated frames and multi-pane glass that help prevent drafts and keep your home well protected from the elements. This insulation not only increases your home's energy efficiency but also prevents the buildup of moisture around your windows, which can weaken seals and create opportunities for tampering. With proper insulation, vinyl windows contribute to a more secure and comfortable home, both in terms of energy efficiency and physical protection. Ease of maintenance and longevity. One of the most attractive features of vinyl windows is how easy they are to maintain. Unlike wood windows, which require regular painting and sealing to maintain their appearance and functionality, vinyl windows are virtually maintenance-free. They don't require painting or frequent upkeep, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners in Orangeburg. This ease of maintenance ensures that your windows will continue to perform well for years to come, providing both security and energy efficiency without the hassle of constant repairs. Additionally, because vinyl windows resist weather-related damage, you don't have to worry about them deteriorating due to the hot, humid summers or the occasional cold spell in the winter. Their longevity and minimal maintenance make them a wise investment for homeowners who want a secure, long-lasting solution. Aesthetics and customization. And finally, vinyl windows come in a variety of styles and finishes, allowing you to customize the look of your home while also enhancing its security. Whether you prefer the sleek, modern look of casement windows or the classic appeal of double-hung windows, vinyl offers a range of design options that can suit any aesthetic. This combination of style and security makes vinyl windows a great choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's curb appeal while also making it safer and more energy efficient. Plus, with various colors and finishes available, you can match your windows to the existing design of your home, ensuring that both security and style go hand in hand. Conclusion. Vinyl windows are an excellent choice for Orangeburg homeowners looking to improve both the security and energy efficiency of their homes. With their durability, advanced locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and superior insulation properties, vinyl windows provide a higher level of protection against both intruders and the elements. Their ability to reduce noise, enhance privacy, and require minimal maintenance makes them a smart, long-term investment that will increase your home's value and security. Whether you're looking to replace old windows or build a new home, vinyl windows offer a perfect combination of style, functionality, and safety.